This is Ranger Kidwell Ross, editor of WorldSweeper.com, and we're at the 2019 American Public Works Show in Seattle. This will be a walk around of the Schwarze M6000 Avalanche, and to do that we have quarter-of-a-century veteran Raymond Massey, who will talk to us about this. You think you know the machine okay to talk about it, Raymond?
Fairly well, 25 years. I kind of got this down. You know? First of all, the M6000 Avalanche is available in both a single and twin engine configuration. This particular truck that we brought to the PWX this year is our single engine design. We made some changes over the last few years with regards to single engine sweeping, including increasing the horsepower and the torque on the front engine from used to be pretty much an industry standard of 260 horsepower, 660 foot-pounds of torque. We increased that up to the Cummins L9 with 860 foot-pounds of torque and 300 horsepower. That's provided a lot more power to the gutter brooms, to the conveyor, to the main broom, and allowed us to get into that into the market that previously was mostly a twin engine market. And we've been able to bring all that power while eliminating that rear engine, of course, which includes oil changes, starters, air cleaners, the chance of dusting an engine, and also save a little fuel on the other side of it.
So let me interrupt to ask, I know one of the things that people still don't really understand out there is with single engines, in the old days, someplace like San Francisco or Seattle where you have a lot of hills, and how you go up and downhill and keep a steady sweeping rate.
Ranger, that's a good question, because in the old days, prior to probably 2002, 2003, the transmissions that were available didn't allow us to electronically program them with regards to PTO speeds. Now with the new Allison 3500 RDS transmissions, we're able to integrate a program into that transmission that will ramp that PTO up to a certain RPM. So no matter what your ground speed is, you're getting a consistent tip speed on your broom. No more of the feather in the brake or the gas. Altitude doesn't affect anything. A grade, whether going up or going down, doesn't affect your performance. You get that constant tip speed. So it's single engine is growing because of those advances in technology, whether it's the propulsion engine, whether it's the transmissions, or whether it's also the control systems in the sweeper as well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
but
good
some other features of the M6. One, we have the highest dumping hopper, being at 11.5 feet to the bottom of a 48-inch dump door, 14 feet 4 inches to the hinge point. We've got a flexible skid shoe design that allows you to go in and out of cuts without taking a chance of having any damage to your conveyor chamber. Of course, that conveyor is also available in both a squeegee or a belt and can be changed from one to the other in 2 hours and 15 minutes. That's a patented item from Schwarze.
Mm-hmm.
We've integrated our industry-leading gutter broom extension override system that we've always had on our air machines. We've integrated that to the mechanicals. That's all controlled pneumatically. Control system on the sweeper has our Schwarze 6-sense controls, which allows us to come in and set that sweeper up for basically 6 different applications, just like you're saving a radio station on your car radio. You can come into it, set your broom speeds, your pressures, your lighting, your water, press the button, hold it, it saves into that setting, and then you can jump from various settings depending on the application.
Well, that sounds very valuable, especially if one of your operators was out and somebody else had to get on a machine.
That's exactly it. Where it's a really big benefit is when you're training new people. If you can teach them how to press 2 buttons, they got it licked. Where in the past, you had to jump through all various switches. Now it's like stand by sweep.
Yeah.
Stand by 2 sweep, 3 sweep. It's very simple. Very simple.
Yeah, that's great. What else should we talk about the machine? You want to just walk around and give people a view of what it looks like? How big's the hopper on this?
The hopper's 5 cubic yards, and you can get it in 3 types of steel. Of course, carbon steel being the standard. Mm-hmm. And we have a 304 series non-magnetic stainless available, as well as a high-strength 3CR12 stainless that's available as well. Either one of the stainless steels are going to have a lifetime warranty against rust and perforation. Okay. Back in the back, the engine compartment, or excuse me, the systems locker, you might want to call it. If we have a twin engine configuration, we're going to have a 74 horsepower Perkins engine that is going to be on there. And the good thing about, excuse me, not a Perkins, I was wrong there. It's a Cummins. It is a Cummins, 74 horsepower Cummins, which has a catalytic converter and not a DPF. So you don't have to deal with the regens on it.
That's
a big plus.
Been an issue.
Single engine configuration, of course, you've got the open area. We've got our valve bodies here where the left side is all for rotation functions. The right side is for lifting functions. You can manually actuate your valves. We also have LED DIN connectors on each solenoid. We also have a remote power where the mechanic can come in and he can stroke the pump in order to check valves from back here. Our control systems with our controller is mounted back here and all sealed up. Water systems, we've got two areas of filtration, a 50 mesh pre-cleaner before the pump on the right side, and then a 5 micron filter filtering on the pressure side. All hydraulic hoses that Schwarze uses. In fact, on all of our machines, we use flex draw hoses, million cycle hoses, O-ring face seal fittings. And the fittings themselves carry a 5-year, 6,000 hour warranty. All hydraulic pumps from Schwarze on every one of our machines carry a 5-year, 6,000 hour warranty. And all gutter broom torque motors, main broom torque motors, conveyor torque motors, as well as all the hydraulic solenoids carry a 2-year, 2,400 hour warranty. So standard warranties on the hydraulic system for a Schwarze product is anywhere from 2 to 5 times what any other manufacturer is offering. So it helps, whether it's a contractor, municipality, helps them control their costs moving forward.
Sure.
Okay. But yeah, a lot of advances to the M6. Great product. We'd love an opportunity to come out and demonstrate. Just give your Schwarze dealer a call, give your Schwarze rep a call, and we'll be there.
All right. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Ranger.
To get to Schwarze Industries, of course, is schwarze.com.
That's it, www.schwarze.com.
And you have all your dealer locations and
everything's listed on there. You click on dealer locations, enter in your state, enter in your zip code, and it will populate that dealer location there for you. Contact information for not only your dealer, but also the regional sales manager from Schwarze.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.